Hey, look, it's the wallet every sponsored tech reviewer is raving about.
Can you really be a reviewer if you're sponsored?
You can be anything if you're given enough money, but don't worry, we actually bought ours and they're not paying us to do this review, so I'm going to reserve my judgment on this product until the very end.
I'm not. It's terrible.
Now, we were planning on doing a review on the Moft Snap-on wallet phone stand thing as part of our end of month roundup last month, but so much stuff happened between whenever we decided to do this video and now. So much stuff happened. Our NAS died, so this was going to be part of the roundup, and then we decided that the roundup was too long already, so we decided to go with a singular individual product review, which is something we generally don't do, but because this product is so well reviewed by people that are being paid to review it, that we had to go do an individual product review for the Moft wallet. I mean, Moft wallet. But Moft did reach out to us, and they were like, you guys would love to see a review on this product, and they were willing to send us the product for free. And they said the product was valued at $30 US. Boom, like, wow.
And what did you say, Aaron?
I replied back to them saying that I would totally love to do a review for free. That I would love to spend hours and hours and hours filming stuff for a $30 product for free. You wanna know what they replied? Thanks for your interest. Where can we send the wallet?
Now, the best thing about these emails is how they tell us who else has reviewed the product. It happens a lot, and it comes off as desperate,
Needy?
flaccid.
Like they're seriously trying to coerce reviewers to give positive reviews for their products because other media organizations have taken their money to promote their products, so they're using that as like social currency to say, this is a good product because other people have said it's a good product because we paid them to say that it's a good product. So to make this review as unbiased as possible, we're going to compare it against...
Aaron's gonna stay unbiased. This thing is terrible.
We're going to compare the Moft wallet against other wallet products, comparing them against things like capacity, build quality, as well as figuring out what the best case is to use with the Moft wallet. Is it the Apple one? Is it going to be the other clear Apple? This is a terrible. Clear case is brutal. The mouse case, maybe it works better than that. And after all that, we're going to compare the stand portion and finger thing against other products like the Loopy, the OtterPop, as well as the Quad Lock. So we're going to figure out if you guys should buy this product.
Don't buy it.
Well, that's Val's unbiased opinion, and then I'll give you my unbiased thoughts about this product. But first, Val is going to talk about the design.
Roll the review.
The Moft wallet has a pretty cool design. It's a good idea, but that only applies if it stays on. The wallet is slim and made of faux leather. I'd say it's not as fancy as the Apple wallet, but it does come pretty close. And speaking of the Apple wallet, another thing I noticed is the stitching on the sides of the Moft when compared to the Apple wallet don't look that great. We've had it for about 4 weeks and there's already some threads sticking out of it. Now, the most interesting design feature is this piece that folds forward at the front of the wallet, turning it into a phone stand and also some sort of loop to hold on to your phone. Now, the stand works great. You can view things on your phone in portrait and landscape mode, and the angle is wide enough that it won't tip over or fold with the weight of your phone. When it comes to the Moft just as a wallet, it's pretty decent. Yeah, only decent. Why? Keep watching. The Moft can hold about 2 to 3 cards, and in order to access these cards, you need to pull the top forward a bit. You'll also be able to see all your cards when using the wallet as a stand. Now, we also compared the wallet capacity and ease of use against all the other wallets we used in this video. The Apple wallet fits up to 3 cards, but like the Moft, you won't be able to pull just one out unless you take it off of your phone, flip it over, and use the cutout on the back to push it out. The Pitaka holds 2 cards and has the finger cutout at the front, making it easy to push out 1 card at a time. The mouse holds up to 2 cards and both can be easily accessed. The Ghost Deck Exec 4 holds 3 cards, and if you just push them up from the bottom cutout, you can easily pull out whichever card you need. And finally, the MagVac. We're not actually sure how many cards it's supposed to hold comfortably, but we've counted up to 6. This wallet has 2 compartments. The compartment on the front has a finger cutout, so you can push out whatever card you use the most easily, while all your other cards sit safely in the back. Now, like we mentioned before, this wallet can also be used as a kickstand. But anytime you want to use the kickstand, or if you pull too hard on the top when trying to access your cards, there's a big chance it's gonna come off. It might also come off when putting your phone in your pocket or taking it out. The top edge of this wallet gets caught on everything. These magnets are just terrible. I'll show you how terrible they are. And after that, I'll also tell you how much I suffered through the magnet testing portion of this video.
Now, some of the sponsored posts that we've seen claim that the Moft wallet stays on better than the Apple one. That's like a big claim for them. So I went and decided not to do the drop test. So Val had to go drop her iPhone 12 with wallet products from Mouse, Magback, Pataka, and Apple.
Okay, this part was so terrible. It was the worst thing I've ever had to do at this job. And Aaron is a terrible communicator.
We're drinking old fashions.
So Val went and dropped her iPhone 12 with wallet products from Mouse, Magback, Pataka, and Apple. Now for the first test, we dropped the Mouse Limitless 4.0 with an updated Mouse wallet case, a Magback with their Magback wallet, a Pataka Mag Easy Pro and card wallet case, an Apple silicone case with an Apple leather wallet, and a barebacked iPhone 12 with the Moft wallet. The Apple wallet stayed on the Apple silicone case at a height of 45 centimeters. Next up was the Magback with their wallet at 40 centimeters, Mouse at 14, Pataka at 6. The Moft wallet consistently came off around 4 centimeters. A Moft wallet with a skinned iPhone that comes off around 3 centimeters. Now, as a side note, if you want a wallet product that never comes off unless you really want it to, well, check out the Ghost Tech Exec 4. Now, does the Moft wallet work better with other MagSafe products that we have? Mildly. When we used it with the updated D brand grip and Apple Clear cases, the Moft comes off at 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters on the Mouse Limitless 4.0, around 15 centimeters for the Mag Easy Pro case, and 20 centimeters on the Apple silicone case. Now, before all you Moft lovers go and celebrate,
Muffed lovers. Muffed lovers?
remember that an iPhone 12 in an Apple silicone case with the Apple leather wallet falls off at 45 centimeters. So yeah. And for those who are curious, the clear case, the wallet comes off around 13, 14, 15 centimeters.
Seriously, the magnets on this thing are so weak that a leaf blower can remove the wallet off of your phone. And we're not kidding.
And we actually did that.
With the stand, we looked at other products that had similar stand, one-handed usage features. The stand on the Moft wallet is pretty good. We're going to put that out there. There's portrait mode, landscape mode, and something called floating landscape mode, which basically turns your iPhone setup into a tiny little TV. I will say that portrait mode on the Moft wallet is probably the best feature on the product, as it keeps your iPhone at a nice viewable angle for whenever you're working or even on your nightstand. I would even say that the stand setup is the best out of all the products that we have. The only one that might come close would be the products from Magback. Now, Moft also claims that you can attach the wallet and iPhone to other magnetic surfaces, which from our perspective is a bit of a stretch. If you're thinking about using it with a magnetic car mount, you're going to be kind of kidding yourself. It's, as you saw earlier, the magnets on the Moft wallet aren't going to be strong enough. The iPhone will fall off with the Moft attached sometimes. The iPhone just kind of goes and does its thing and the wallet stays. Moft also shows a diagram with the MagSafe charger sandwich. I'm not sure why you would do this because you're not basically going anywhere with the MagSafe charger. So why would you need to have the wallet attached to the back of it?
We had so much trouble saying the name of this thing. Moft?
Moft? Moft. The Moft
Moft?
wallet.
The Moft?
We've been working on this thing, the Moft wallet. We've been working on this video for so bloody long, and it's like, when I first decided to do this thing, I was like, oh, this is gonna be really, really simple because it's a very simple product. But
I hate it now.
we've been doing this for 6 weeks, kind of on and off.
Yeah.
Val's been doing it.
Something always happens when we try to do this video. Something terrible always happens.
Like the NAS dying.
Just bad luck.
And the NAS is still kind of dead, and we're waiting for our SFP connections to show up. And if you want to know what SFP is, I don't really know what it is, but I know that I can't put in an RJ45 jack into an SFP connection, SFP plus connect.
Another feature of this Moft product is the ability for you to use it as a viewing aid. Now, we're generally very big fans with viewing aids, as it greatly enhances the usability of all our iPhones. Our personal favorite is the loopy case, as it just basically eliminates drops once your finger is in that loop. Now, I can't say the same for the Moft wallet. First of all, you can't get to the finger hole with one hand, so it's a two-handed job so that you can use your iPhone in one hand. Doesn't make any sense. Second of all, it's really not comfortable. There's a lot of straight edges on this thing. It doesn't really conform to your fingers like the loopy case does. The auto pop kind of sits between your fingers, so it doesn't really bother you that much, and the quad lock might fit around a finger. Actually, I'd take a Moft wallet over a quad lock loop.
So add to the fact that the magnets on this product are incredibly weak. Why would anybody want to use the Moft wallet as a viewing aid? It doesn't make any sense to me. So at the end of the day, I will say that I appreciate the design or the idea. It's a good idea. I do like it. But the fact that it's incredibly weak makes this product completely unusable, in my opinion, because your iPhone is worth more than this $30 thing. So in the off chance that it will fall, that's terrible, right? So regardless of how much money has been paid to other reviewers to say that this is a good product over this, I would take the Apple one, because there is no way that your iPhone is actually going, unless you're carrying your iPhone like this, which you're not, because that's not how the product is designed. That's not gonna happen, right? And I feel bad for people who have bought it and realized that it's a bad product after being bought into the marketing fluff, because marketing fluff is just terrible. Influencer marketing is just terrible. And I'm really hoping that we're turning a leaf on this entire thing, because like real usage, unbiased things, that is where we live. I'm so excited for the future.
Same. So if you're finding these reviews useful and you want to keep watching more of them, what can they do, Aaron?
I don't know, Val, what can they do?
I see what you did there. You can hit subscribe and hit the notification bell.
What else?
You can support us through Patreon.
What else?
Buy all your things through our Amazon link.
But not this product.
Not this one, no.
Yeah, you can get all the other products from our videos, but not this product.
Because it sucks.
Oh, it's so terrible. Like this Moft iPad case. Nothing like tapping your iPad and having to do this the entire time. So that's all we got for this unsponsored video. Questions, comments, leave them down there. If there's another product you want us to take a look at, let us know. Val will read the comments. I've stopped because...
Sorry for swearing. So our video editor is supposed to beep that out, but she kind of sucks, so she forgot. Yeah, that was me.
So that's all we got for this video. Questions, comments, leave them down there. If there's other products that you want us to take a look at from Moft, we bought, again, their freaking iPad case and the iPad keyboard that comes with the case. Oh my gosh.
It was cute.
Well, sure, it looks cute, but generally things that are cute are not very useful. Like,
Aww, that's so mean.
again, if you want to support how we do our videos and you want to see more of us, we've actually started on a new thing on the type of thing that we're drinking for these videos. Every single week, we're going to be drinking a different type of cocktail.
Oh my God, people should suggest cocktails for us to drink. Like, make up your own drink for us and we'll try it.
Try it. Next week's...
Please be nice.
Next week is going to be whiskey pickle chasers.
That sounds disgusting.
Anyways, thanks for watching.
I won't swear in this video. People got very upset about it. I apologize for being myself.
That's so silly. And they were willing to send a unit to us, which is product or I was on a roll. Wow, that really, you really took heart to that vulgar comment.
I did. I know I swear a lot. I swear a lot.
So that's all we got.